Turning my viral chuck roast into the best and easiest chuck roast tacos. I shared this recipe a year ago and it has been a fan favorite ever since. For many of you, it's become a staple meal in your house and I can't even tell you how it makes me feel. I've loved seeing your taco spreads featuring my simple roast preparation. Let me know in the comments if you've made it and if you have any fun toppings or secret ingredients that we need to know about. I recently discovered a secret ingredient to take the tacos to the next level that I've included in the caption. When I'm going to be serving a crowd, the first recipe that pops into my head is chuck roast tacos. It's simple and almost impossible to mess up, crowd pleasing, and customizable. Who doesn't love a taco spread? Cheers. The secret to making exceptional Thai curry at home, and I'm excited to share. A few weeks ago, we took a Thai cooking class through a local Austin Thai restaurant called Thai Fresh, and Chef Jam taught us how to make curry the authentic Thai way, which was so easy and flavorful, so let's chat about what I learned in class. We started by bringing just the coconut cream from 2 cans of coconut milk to a gentle boil, then adding the curry paste. The fat in the coconut cream lightly fries the curry paste and allows the rich spices. Different method of making curry than I've ever tried and resulted in the best, bold, creamy curry. Our weeknight chicken with these sheet pan honey garlic chicken thighs. They're easy to make and absolutely bursting with flavor. When Kyle and I first got married, I came to cooking different meats, and I remember making a lot of sheet pan chicken thighs because it was fairly foolproof. There isn't a big mess or greasy stove to clean up, and it was something I was very comfortable with. Simple sheet pan chicken thighs are a recipe I will still turn to on busy weeknights, but today we're jazzing them up with a crazy delicious honey garlic sauce because weeknight dinners don't have to be boring.
Wash shrimp, tangy feta, and fresh spinach into a food processor, then stuff it into a beautifully filleted salmon tail, you'll have just made the most unique and delightful dinner. Welcome back to episode 22 of Greek Blue Zone, a series where I'll be sharing recipes for longevity. So the ingredients in this dish are inspired by spanakopita, which pair like magic with fish. Try this recipe for your next date night. She's low lift and giving all sorts of maximalist flavor with minimalist effort. Follow me if you want to eat and live like a Greek Blue Zone citizen. Woman braises lamb shanks and then simmers them in warming spices and tomato sauce for your husband. You risk losing your husband. Welcome back to episode 5 of my Big Fat Greek Christmas. There's this viral dish called Marry Me Chicken. Well, this dish is called Be the Only One to Make Your Man This Dish or Else. Other Sunday dinner. Follow along for more marriage advice.